We will begin this yoga practice for stress relief by just taking in some deep breaths, breathing in, allowing the stomach to rise, and breathing out, letting it fall. Breathing in and out. Just using your own natural depth to guide you. Now we are going to lie down onto our mat, stretching the entire body, arms above the head, stretching the entire body, allowing the breath to relax the muscles. Big full body stretch, allowing your arms to fall, rubbing the hands together, getting them nice and warm, and place them on your knees, doing small knee circles to release the spine. Changing direction, just gentle circles to relax the spine, spreading your arms out and dropping your knees to the side for a gentle spinal twist and switch. Continue going from side to side, just relaxing the spine, allowing any shift to occur. And bringing the knees into the chest and swinging gently to sit up. Coming on to your knees and to your hands for a gentle cat-cow. And coming up into down dog. Stretching those calves, stretching that upper body. Breathing in and out, just your natural breath. And bringing your hands towards your feet and slowly rolling up to standing. Bringing arms above your head and sweeping them down to a forward bend. Jumping back into plank, Coming on to the stomach, to up dog. And down to down dog. Remember to breathe, allowing the breath to guide you. And jumping forward once again and rolling up to standing. Center yourself. Standing in mountain, focus on deepening the breath. Focus on your breathing. We will stretch the legs out, and on one side, take it into warrior one. Stretching that back leg out, opening the hip flexor. Bringing out into warrior three, opening those hips, relaxing those shoulders. And on the same side, take it down into triangle. If your neck gets sore in this position, just allow your gaze to look down instead of up, opening up that side of the body. And slowly coming up, centering yourself, taking a deep breath in and out. We are now going to repeat those same three on the other side. Take it to warrior one. Warrior three, relaxing those shoulders, opening up the hips. And to triangle. Once again, you can have your gaze looking up or down, opening up the side of the body. centering yourself, taking a deep breath in and out, relaxing your shoulders. Sweeping your arms above your head, sweeping them down to forward bend, allowing that spine to relax, jumping out into plank, rolling down and up to up dog for a nice sun salutation. Stretching back, stretching your arms, your back into a gentle child's pose. Back up, just a gentle cat and cow, just to refocus once again on where you are. Opening up the back, bringing alignment to the spine. Now we're going to be coming and sitting back onto the mat, rolling back down onto your back, stretching your arms out and bringing your knee into your chest, and take the knee to the opposite side for a gentle spinal twist, allowing the chest to open and your gaze to look toward the hand on the other side. And switching, bringing the other knee into the chest. Focus. And stretching it to the other side for a gentle spinal twist. And rolling up and down, up and down, up and down until you're ready to go back into plow pose. Take this pose incredibly slowly. If you want to start with a shoulder stand and gently allow your legs to fall over your head, gently tucking your head into your chest. You might feel a tingling sensation all down your spine. Breathe through it, keeping your head tucked and gently rolling forward again. take a moment. If you feel dizzy, just breathe and folding forward for a gentle hamstring stretch or sitting forward bend. Breathing in and out, noticing how your body is feeling, how the stress is melting away, how your mind is going into the stretches. Sitting now cross-legged, let's focus on your breath, placing one finger on your nostril and gently pressing onto it, breathing through the other nostril for a gentle cleansing breath. Breathing in and out. And switching, closing off the other nostril. And breathing in for a deep cleansing breath, and breathing out any remaining tension. Just focus on the release of tension and how you now feel. Finishing off with some gentle neck rolls. Namaste. Enjoy and comment below how you feel after this stretch routine.